Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious rolls using roti. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need your roti, whether store-bought or homemade, and your desired fillings. This could be anything from spiced potatoes to grilled paneer or even a simple vegetable mix. Make sure your fillings are cooked and ready to go before you start assembling. This preparation step saves time and ensures a smooth rolling process. Now, let's warm our roti. Place each roti on a hot griddle or pan for about 20 to 30 seconds per side until it's soft and pliable. This makes it easier to roll without cracking. Once warmed, lay the roti flat and spread your filling evenly across the center. Remember to leave a border of about 1 inch around the edges. This prevents the filling from spilling out when you roll. With your filling in place, it's time to roll. Take one edge of the roti and fold it over the filling, pressing down gently to keep it snug. Then, continue rolling the roti tightly from one end to the other, creating a compact cylinder. A firm roll ensures your filling stays inside. If your roll feels a bit loose, you can secure it with a small toothpick, especially for larger or heavier fillings. Your delicious roti rolls are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm, perhaps with a side of your favorite dipping sauce, like a spicy mint chutney or a tangy tamarind sauce. They make a fantastic snack, a quick lunch, or even a light dinner. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy rolling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.